Hey everyone, it's grocery haul day, and today we are doing a post-vacation, pre-Thanksgiving, pre-Christmas Walmart grocery haul because it's one of those days. And I mean, literally, there's going to be like stuff to talk about for Christmas, and there's going to be no, there's no Thanksgiving stuff in this one, but there is in tomorrow's video. We do talk about pre-Thanksgiving shopping in tomorrow's video. That will be Sam's Club, so you'll see that next. But we also talk about like absolute essentials that we had to pick up because we actually had a pretty stocked emergency freezer for when we came home. So these are going to just be items that we just absolutely had to stock up on immediately after vacation. So let me turn around and show you what we picked up today. We're going to start right here with the daily items that we picked up. So there were, we did have a little bit of stuff left over for Matt's lunches, but I mostly needed a lot of things for Matt's lunches for this week. Half of it will be in the Walmart haul today. The other half will be in the Sam's Club haul tomorrow. So one of the things I do, especially at the holidays to make things easier, is we buy like salami or like a pre-done meat that I can just divide up into 5 different containers with baby carrots also done up into 5 different containers. And then I have little containers from Dollar Tree that are dishwasher safe that you can put ranch in. I actually quit using the squirt bottles because they're not dishwasher safe, and these little containers from Dollar Tree were. So I do those. I do the carrots with some ranch, and then I also do the Baby Bell cheeses that we actually end up picking up on our way back from the trip because we needed them to be able to start the next week. And then this is the first full-ish grocery haul since we came back from that trip. So I needed those for that. Then Matt is the only one that drinks sodas. The kids drink a lot of like tea, hot chocolate, herbal teas, things like that. They don't drink a lot of sodas. They usually save sodas for special occasions, and then I cannot drink them at all for health reasons. So what he does is when he goes with me, he will get 4 at a time, especially during the holidays. Like when we go to Walmart, we'll buy usually 4 at a time. That way, if like we miss a week or something, we still have 2 set aside. So we do have 2 Coke Zeros here. Now, this is not the one. I have told you guys in a couple of other videos that when we do Thanksgiving, we're probably going to switch to all Fairlife and all lactose-free butter this year for our dishes and try to avoid cheeses for Thanksgiving. Now for Christmas, there's a couple of dishes that require dairy that we can't avoid, and then like the green bean casserole has milk in it because of Korean mushroom. But any like extra dairy that we can avoid, so if she wants like just a turkey sandwich or she wants just like to make tater cakes the next day or something, she can do those without worrying about the lactose in it. But this is just for this week to get through 1 week because she also, like I said, she drinks a lot of herbal teas and sometimes she adds this to it. This is one of the 2 coffee flavors this week. It is the brown butter. We also picked up the Snickerdoodle Coffee Mate because Walmart has quit carrying the caramel vanilla cold brew or hot coffee creamer like the Do-All one. We can only find it at Kroger's right now, not Walmart. 2 liters of Dr. Pepper Zero. And then here's more work things. So when it's hot, and for some reason, this rarely ever happens, it went back up in the 80s and upper 70s all last week in November, and that's not normal for us. So when he's hot at work like that, because usually whatever the outside temperature is, inside of his plant is 10 to 20 degrees hotter. When it's like that and he needs more caffeine, he doesn't like doing the Monster energy drinks because like he just doesn't like doing those. These he has found help with the energy, but not enough to like be a huge issue. So this is the Tropical Fusion, and then the Strawberry Pineapple. I don't think they have the word smash in there anymore, but it used to be called the Strawberry Pineapple Smash. Also, again, I usually switch to like getting the 20-ounce bottles to put in his lunch. To put in his lunchbox for his lunches, like to go with his lunch food. It's too hot to do that. He still needs the electrolytes. So we went ahead and picked up the immune support one that I rotate like every other day, and it does seem to be helping. He has been less sick when exposed to germs at work since switching to the immune support like every other day. And then the berry one is the one that he personally chose for flavors. We also did get 1 gallon of 2% milk for everybody else. Now let's talk Christmas. I already have Christmas presents in my closet set aside. We started buying Christmas presents in August because that's where our budget and where we wanted to focus our attention in August. Like as soon as we came back from our trip, we just wanted to go ahead and start worrying about Christmas. So we slowly like would just spend X amount each week and started buying ahead. So I'm ready. Like as soon as we have all the decorations up, I'm going to take a day, and I'm also going to film and like take you guys along with me. So look, if you want to do that, if you guys want to just like look forward to it after Thanksgiving, I'm going to upload a video of like me just wrapping presents and putting like some jazzy Christmas music in the background. And you guys can feel free to watch along with me and wrap presents while you're watching the video if you want to. If not, you can just listen to it for the music. It's all copyright free from YouTube. But anyway, so because I did have a relative who they had bought a ton of wrapping paper one year, and then the gifts they bought ended up being easier to put in like gift bags than to try to find boxes for them. So they had a ton of wrapping paper left over one year, and I was like, hey, are you going to use that? And they're like, no, take as much as you want. So I have 2 huge rolls of wrapping paper already. I just needed the tape to go with it. These boxes right here. So let me explain, and I'm hoping my kids are out of earshot for this. I could not find advent calendars for my teenagers this year. Like I could not find something that was like, you know what, my teen would really love that this year. So what I did was we bought other things for the advent calendars, and we're going to basically make our own. We didn't buy enough boxes to where like they get like 24 whole boxes, but also like then they don't have to keep up with 24 whole boxes. But we figure what we're going to do is that there are 24 boxes total, and what we're going to do is one of them has a pre-made one, but the other 3 did not, and the one that has a pre-made one's my youngest. My other 3, I bought some things to turn into advent calendar boxes, and one of them, it was something they actually suggested. What we ended up doing was we were going to buy these boxes, and we're going to take these and we're going to put things for the advent calendars inside of them, and then they're going to slowly open those through the month of December as their advent calendar. And I think it's something that they'll really like, and we're looking forward to giving them those as a fun thing instead this year. And then last but not least is these are Lindor Snickerdoodles, and they are going to be for one of the 2 stocking stuffers for the adults this year, because that's just how Matt and I do, is that we will, communicate with each other kind of like likes and dislikes, and then we just kind of buy for each other. And if we're with each other, oh well, because we're parents, 50-50 if we'll remember it. And, at least that way we also are like having those conversations of just spending time together and stuff. So that's for one of the 2 adult stocking stuffers for this year. And that is it for our Walmart post-vacation /work /coffee needs /Christmas grocery haul, and like I said, pre-Christmas haul. That is it for today's video. Thank you to all of our members for supporting this content, allowing us to continue making videos, and thank you to every single one of you for liking, watching, positive comments, and subscribing, and we will see you next time.